Station, and I have a brand new addition from One Stop Apothecary Shop for my desk that I am absolutely thrilled with. This is the brand new Crafty Clean Up Station, and this is absolutely a must-have if you are a crafter. I just think this is really awesome. This is so useful for so many different things, but let's go through this real quick, and then we'll talk about some different ways that you can use it. So this is essentially designed by stampers for stampers, and this is a cleanup station that you can have on your desk. So while you're working with your rubber stamps and you're making your cards, you can have an area with all of your cleaning supplies all together. So here we have a paper towel holder, and I have a jumbo, this is a brand new jumbo roll of paper towels, and that fits absolutely perfectly right there. It will hold, of course, smaller sizes of paper towels, but like if you have a jumbo roll, no worries, you've got it covered. This area here, and I wish I had some baby wipes. I don't have any baby wipes in my house, but a whole package of baby wipes will fit in this container right here. And then this section here is meant to keep your scrubby pads for your rubber stamps. So this is just an amazing little product, and I just think it's really, really fun. I don't do a lot of rubber stamping typically, but I do ink. And so my thoughts were thinking like I could, when I'm working with my inks, I have them out, I can use this area here to kind of hold the pads that I'm using. I can put some paper towels here, and then I can use my dauber space to put those in here so they don't mess up my desk. I mean, that would be like a really great thing to do, right? It's really fun. There's so many possibilities with this. I also had some other ideas that you could use if you're not a rubber stamper and you don't need like a cleanup station. There's some other things you can do. I will definitely hook you up with links to go to One Stop Apothecary Shop and check out this product, but also send you over to her video because she actually does have baby wipes. So you can see what that looks like with this all together. But let me show you some other ideas that I had for this, because this is not only a great cleanup station, but you can also organize with it too. Okay, so one of my ideas was obviously as an organizer. Now, if you do not have, and this is the most amazing product out there, your tape holder, you can store extra rolls of tape. Like I have inch rolls here, I have a couple different like red line tapes and things like that. You can use that to kind of store some tapes that you're working with your projects. You can also use this as an organizer. So a lot of times when I'm working on a project and I do my tutorials, I'm trying to keep all of my things organized so that when I do the tutorials, you know, I have the punches that I had readily used available, ready to go. So you know, this would be a great place to put that. I also thought about, like, this has holes in it, which is obviously meant for, you know, the stamping pads to clean your rubber stamps, but you could also put a spool of ribbon in there, okay? And then as you need it, you can pull it out and cut off the length that you want, and it's organized and ready to go. So I was kind of thinking of some other ways to use it. Now, you can definitely use this in any room in your house. You can use it in your kitchen, you can use it in the baby's room, you can use it, you know, obviously in your craft room. So many things that you can do with this. But again, this is the Crafty Cleanup Station, and this is a brand new product from One Stop Apothecary Shop, and it's amazing. And I do love the fact, this is the other thing that she mentioned in her video. So the other thing is that if you are a crafter, stamper, and you want to take this to a crop, you know, you're traveling, you're doing a crop, it comes packaged so that you can take it and it doesn't take up too much space, which I absolutely love that idea as well. You can really put this in your craft bag and it won't take up too much room. So I just love this. So again, this is the Crafty Cleanup Station. This is exclusive to One Stop Apothecary Shop. I think it is really a genius product, and I am going to clean up my desk. As you can see, it's kind of a little bit of a mess right now, but I'm going to clean up my desk and incorporate it into my workspace. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. You guys run over to her shop and check it out. I will have the link down below. I'll also have the link for the video that she did as well. And then just to let you know that these have been very popular. There are different color choices that you can get, the lilac, the pink, the teal. They're selling out, so just keep checking. They're printing these as fast as they can. So they will be available, but go check it out. I think this is something that every crafter would love to have in their room. I know I do, and I'm super excited to be using it. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay crafty, and I will see you again soon with other fun things. All right, bye-bye.